Brigadier General Michael Kibuye, and I am the Director of Civil Military Cooperation. I am receiving a consignment of 135 mattresses donated by UPDF Wazalendo SACCO to the health centers in Kigezi region. This is part of a consignment that they pledged on the 18th of November when we are doing a national launch in Buya. And it is going to help the health centers in accommodating all those who come in for medication. And as part of the Tare Sita, we usually donate such items, and Wazalendo has given us a hand, which we appreciate. However, part of the donations are also going to come from the health services, the chieftaincy of health services, which we call the joint staff health services. And they are going to donate some delivery beds on which we shall put these mattresses. So we're not going to receive only mattresses, we're also going to have a contribution from the medics. And on top of that, the medical services have been able to offer static and mobile medical clinics in the region, starting from around 18th to, starting from around 1st December is when they deployed, and they're going to be around for a total of like 12 to 14 days, offering medical services to the needy, especially the needy. We have professional doctors who include even specialists, and that's what they're going to do. That's what they've been doing in the region for the past so many days as part of Tare Sita.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm Brigadier General Dr. Patrick Ochen, the Deputy Joint Staff Health Services of the Uganda People's Defense Forces. First of all, I want to thank Wazalendo for delivering our request to give a hand to the UPDF in procuring the mattresses for this Tare Sita. We thank them so much because this one boosts the civil military cooperation. It makes us go with our heads high. These mattresses will be distributed to the health centers within Kigezi sub-region, selected by the leadership of the sub-region. They are the ones who know where these mattresses are needed. But these mattresses are not going to go without having beds. We have secured some beds as the Joint Staff Health Services, and we have 20 beds. What the resources could allow us to get, that is what we could give. And this one the 20 will be distributed to health centers that have really dire need for beds. Where I have moved, I found some health centers have not even a single bed, not even a single mattress in a ward. So this is going to be a boost. At least it's not going to solve all the problems, but it will have reduced the burden on some health centers. On top of the beds that we are going to donate, we are also going to give out 12 delivery beds. We want our mothers to deliver in a comfortable and safe environment. And one of the environment's requirements is having a good delivery bed. So these delivery beds will also be distributed to where they really need them. And lastly, we have secured one theater table, and that will go to Bugangazi, and it will be a game changer in people who need surgical services. And in those lower health centers, the most important thing is that we shouldn't lose a mother because we cannot operate in case of emergencies. So by availing that one will save a number of mothers and their babies in case of emergency obstetric cases. So the delivery time, the bed is already here. The theater table is already here. And we are just waiting for the time to come. And then we officially hand over to the administration of the sub-region. And then we shall deliver to the different places that they are supposed to go to. Thank you.
I'm Colonel Alan Chitanda. I'm the Vice Chairperson of Wazalendo Board. Today we are here in Kabale, Kigezi sub-region, as part of the social corporate responsibility. We have been able to donate on behalf of Wazalendo family. Wazalendo family composes of the serving officers and men, the retired comrades, the people who are working with us in the Ministry of Defense but are civilians, and our children or our family members. So on behalf of that family, we are making a humble contribution of about 135 mattresses, hospital mattresses, to the Kigezi sub-region, and they will be distributed in all the hospitals in Kigezi by the local leaders. So we are handing them over today to the Ministry of Defense, represented by Uganda People's Defense Forces senior leaders. So we are handing over these 135 mattresses, and later they will be handed over to the districts at an appropriate time, come 6th of January next month. So we are very happy, and we want to congratulate the leadership of UPDF. We also want to thank the members, the entire membership of Wazalendo, for allowing us to make this contribution. I know at times we may have made, we would have made some bigger contribution than this, but that's what we could do on behalf of the family of Wazalendo. So we want to thank you, we want to thank the leaders, we want to thank members who are there, that please let's support Wazalendo for its growth. This is just because the sons and daughters who are serving in UPDF from this region have done exceedingly well. So this is just a token of appreciation. We cannot give them anything beyond this. But for this gesture, we are saying asante sana to all our gallant officers and men of the mighty Uganda People's Defense Forces. Kimanyi bulungi nti ffenna bwe tuba tugenze, first of all teri muntu ayinza kugamba nti amanyi lwagenda okulwala, era bakugamba nti buli muntu yenna mu nsi at least alina ekifo kye mu ddwaliro olunaku, either second oba minute ajja kubeerayo n'olunaku lwagendako mu ddwaliro. So tugenza okutunulira nti ebintu ebisinga oluusi tugenda mu malwaliro eyo ng'abalwadde bangi naye ng'ebitanda tebiriiwo n'emifaliso giriiwo, ne tugamba no, ku bintu byonna bye twandikoze ebingi katweggyemu akasente akatontono. Wazalendo SACCO yaffe n'abakulembeze ne bagamba okay, katukwateyooko kuoba obusente obutono bwe tufuna tugulireyooko abantu baffe ab'omu Kigezi emifaliso gino, otuyamba okubeera nti omuntu aba agenze mu ddwaliro waliwo waasulako olunaku olwo esaawo gye baba bamuadmitingidde mu ddwaliro. So kyova olaba nti tujjeeyo mwaka akasente akatono ne tugula emifaliso gino 135, era ne tugiwaayo mu bakulembeze baffe aba UPDF, era lulibo olwo nabo ne bazihanding over eri abakulembeze ab'omu Kigezi. Kigezi erina districts nga 6. So tumanyi nti abo abakulembeze aba district y'e Kigezi mu region z'e Kigezi bagenda kufuna emifaliso gino era bagitwale mu malwaliro. So tusaba abantu b'e Kigezi nti mwebale tuwagira, mwebale tuwa abaana abammwe abakola kati mu UPDF, eje ery'eggwanga, eje eryesimisa buli muntu okubeera nti likuumye bulungi Uganda, likuumye emirembe wano n'ebweru. So eje eryo teryandibaddewo ng'abazadde tebaliiwo, teryandibaddewo ng'abantu ba bulijjo tebaliiwo. So tubeebaza nti mwebale kubeera nti mukwatagana ne UPDF, era tubasaba nti omukwano guno omulungi gubeere nga gubeerawo kaakano ne bulijjo, emirembe n'emirembe paka Yesu lwalikomawo. Amiina.